Okay, hello. So hopefully you've gotten some mapping done. I've done a little bit. I still have a lot more to do. But this video is going to show you kind of how you turn some of the mapping you've done into like a figure that you could use. Just really the beginning stages of this. And so we've been working in data view down here. And so we're going to want to switch to layout view, which is right here. And so I'm going to click layout view. And I've already got these latitude and longitude marks on there, and my legend and everything is on here already. But I want to show you how to add more information to this map. So um, when I'm done, I'll probably be mapping at this scale. I'll want this map to be probably like 1 to 10,000 or so, or maybe 8,000. But all these yellow circles are my core locations. So I want to show this profile with my cross section there. I want to show it right over here, or at least the mapping part of it. So I'll show you. I'm going to add a extent box is what they call them. And so what you're going to want to do is go to Insert, Data Frame. Okay. And so here's my new data frame, and I want to show kind of this area zoomed in right here. And so what I'm going to do is just add everything that I want. So I want my points, I want my fault, I want my tan silts, QGET, TRBG, and I want my contours too. I want those, and I want my slope, and we'll use this hillshade. I'm just going to copy that, paste it into my new data frame. This might take a while. Okay. Just drawing my hillshade. Okay, here we are. So looks pretty good. And then I want to show this on this map. So I'm going to go over here, right click, properties. It's called an extent indicator. So I want to add that. And they put this crazy red frame. I just want a simple black one. Perfect. So you can see this black frame. It's right here. Zoom. This is just zoomed in there. So yeah, you could also do it the other way when you're working with like base maps. Sometimes it's nice to have something like this on there. So you can see kind of the general extent of where you are in your map area. Throw that somewhere on there. This is super busy. I wouldn't put this on here, but you can have it. So this shows more of your map area. fix it. And this is very zoomed in. And you can kind of get that all in one page here in layout view. Okay, so that's pretty much all I had in mind for this video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.